one of my colleagues again was an Indian. I think that company had a lot of Indians. I remember we used to be given this project. So you're put in a team of 3 people, you're given projects, and the problem is the deadlines were so short. The deadline was so short. It's like you're given a workload of work today, and in 3 days' time, you're supposed to deliver. So for me, the first 3 weeks, I used to show up at work, and I'm just complaining about how much we have to do, how short the deadlines are. But then that colleague of mine, my Indian colleague, she always used to show up having finished her work. And I remember asking her, what time do you sleep? Like, how come you're always delivering? And for me, I was complaining to her in that, what is wrong with our boss? Why is it that he's always giving us excess work that we are supposed to finish in 3 days? And I remember her teaching me that, Agatha, you need to build your work ethic. Right? And she told me, you need to build your work ethic. And I'm not telling you to build your work ethic to impress your boss. Like be the person who delivers the deadline to impress your boss. I am telling you to build your work ethic because that is the most important thing you will build as a young person. Because if you do not have good work ethic, even when you start your own business, and it's the same thing he's saying, right? If you do not build your own work ethic in that you can meet deadlines and you can do and deliver what you promised you're going to do, even when you start your own business, you're not going to be able to make it work. So you don't build your work ethic to impress your boss, you build your work ethic for yourself. And at the same time, it doesn't mean that it was right for my boss to give us so much workload for us to be able to deliver in 3 days. That is not right. That's not what I'm saying. So I would still say it was not right for my boss to do that. But at the same time, she really taught me why it's very important to have good work ethic. And I think from that is what I believe has been able to enable me to start my own business and make it sustainable. So that's very important. So that's what we mean so I was contributing to your point when you say that you're an employee, yes, because it's not good. A lot of people say, and unfortunately it's a lot of the elder generation who tell us, just even and government officials, right? When young people complain that hakuna kazi, government officials will look at you, just start your own business. And you're just like, with what money, right? With what money? So all of us cannot be entrepreneurs, all of us cannot be business owners, but in that same job that you have, and you can make a 9 to 5 work by saving, investing, and building your work ethic.